Today's recipe is sponsored by Lydia's Cafe. Please visit their Facebook page. And if you would like to order, please give them a message. And if you don't want to, please follow or like the page. They're selling coffees there. And our main ingredient today, soybean powder. Now, if you don't want to visit their Facebook page but you want to order and fast, let's go to Shopee. They have their store there as well. Now, what are you waiting for? Pause this video, grab yours. Today, let's make fried camote with soybean flour. Let's go.
thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.